Curious who looks at your TikTok profile and watches your videos? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable viewer history on TikTok to see who has looked at your TikTok profile and posts. Now let's get started. Previously, there were separate settings for profile views and post views, but they're now combined into one viewer history setting option. To enable viewer history on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy. Scroll down and select Viewers. Then tap the switch labeled Viewer History to enable this feature. Once you've enabled Viewer History, you'll be able to see who looks at your TikTok profile and watches your posts and stories. When you have this turned on, other users will also be able to see when you view their profile or posts, as this is a setting that only works mutually. That's all it takes to enable viewer history on TikTok. Want to see a list of all the videos you've recently watched? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.